In this short tutorial, I just wanted to spend a couple of minutes talking about one of the new features that Excel has really came out with, and that is check performance. Now, this is a great new feature that will optimize workbooks and worksheets by removing excess formatting without changing any of the data that you have in your workbook in your model. And this is great because it can make your files more lean, more efficient without changing the numbers that you have. Now, one of the things I didn't really realize before this, honestly, is the impact that excess formatting has on your workbooks. But I was recently working on a file, and by removing the excess formatting, it actually made the file like 40% smaller because there was currency formatting dropped all the way to the very bottom of the sheet on one of the tabs. So it can actually be quite meaningful. Now, how to use this feature, you want to go to review and then click on check performance. And after doing that, the cell will pop up. And as you can see, what to check for formatting, unneeded metadata, unused styles that can cause large slow workbooks, and it won't affect data. Learn more points, learn more. As you can see, this is a simple workbook. It's just some data in a basic pivot table, and 13,000 cells are used. But 1,800 cells can be optimized. Now, one thing that's cool is that you can go to each of the tabs and kind of see what Excel has identified as extra formatting. So as you can see, for some reason, I'm even working on some formatting or some table. It deleted some stuff and just forgot to delete some columns and accidentally left some excess fill color over here. Also, too, there's excess number formatting over here. And if I click on my sheet, 1,300 cells were optimized without changing the data in the sheet. You go in summary, and I can go through and click on each of the ranges and see what Excel has identified as excess formatting, and I can click on optimize sheet to make it more optimized. And you can see no more optimization needed. And when I save this, the workbook can now be a bit smaller. And this is obviously a simple example, but if you have like a large model, removing excess formatting can be helpful. Now, the only thing that you have to be a little bit careful with is there could be formatting that you deem as necessary that Excel might not deem as necessary. So, for example, if you want your entire first row to be a certain color, Excel might say this is not necessary, but you need it for your formatting. Also, too, um, you might have like currency formatting below your data because you want your new data to also be currency formatting, but Excel will be tempted to remove that. So be mindful of that, but still, this is a great feature that can make workbooks linear more efficient without changing your data. Hope you found this helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.